So in today's video, I'm going to show how I turn this blank wall space and turn it into functional storage space by installing shelves. Now before we get started, we're going to need a few tools in addition to what's on the box, including painter's tape, a pen, stud finder, and a measuring tape. Now I use painter's tape to get an idea visually of where the shelves might go, and then I mark the center of the mounting bracket to correspond with the center mark I made on my tape. Then I use a level and I mark the first hole only, and there happens to be a stud here, so I pre-drill for my mounting screw and then insert the screw and then hand tighten it into place. Now that I got one screw in, I will level this off and mark the other screws, trying to find a few studs. Now the favorite aspect of this shelf for me is this one-piece mounting bracket. It makes it super easy to level and mark my holes. I know there should be a stud there, so I'm going to drill this out. I wanted to make sure to have two screws and two different studs. And over here I'm going to use these drywall anchors, put one here and here. Put one in here, screw these into the drywall. Alright, now I'll go ahead and set this up. Put my screw into the drywall anchor. And this screw goes into a stud here. This screw is going into a drywall anchor. So now with the shelf bracket in place, the next step is to simply place the shelf board on the bracket. So it's pretty easy, it just sits there. So what I did is I went ahead and installed all my brackets, then I came back and placed each shelf board one by one onto the brackets. And I'll tell you what, I'm pretty impressed with these. They're pretty robust, they were easy to install with that one piece bracket, and they look pretty good with that thicker shelf board. Thanks for watching.